Number 11, it wants us to write an equation, a sine equation, where the amplitude's 3, period's 45, phase shift 180. Okay, no problem. Start off, y equals amplitude 3. It said it's a sine function. We need the b value to be there, the c value to be here. Now, since it says it's shifting plus 180, I know I'm going to have a minus something here. But we'll worry about that in a minute. Now, we know the period is simply 360 divided by the b value. It said the period is 45. So I have 45 here equals 360 over the b value, which is what I'm trying to find. I now can cross multiply. Divide by 45. Gives me 8. Big 8 right there. That guy really was repeating itself. Okay. How about the phase shift? Well, the phase shift is the opposite of the c value, which we don't know yet, divided by the b, which we just found. And it says the phase shift is 180. So I do 180 over 1. Opposite of c, don't know it, divided by b, I just found to be 8, right? So negative c, cross multiply, the opposite of c. 8 times that is what, 1460? That's not right. Silly me. Silly me, silly me, silly me. We have really struggling here today. That's sad. 4, 6, it's 1440. Don't know where the brain was. I apologize. C is negative 1440. Because again, we have to multiply by negative 1 there. So this will be minus 1,440. There's number 11. Let's go to 12. 12, y equals 2/5 sine something here, theta. And then here's going to be my c value. There's my b value. We know the period is 720. It actually stretched out further. I can see it's a half, but let's see how I know that. I know the period is 360 divided by the b value. It says the period is 720. 360 over b, cross multiply. 720b is 360. Divide by 720. You got a half here. Phase shift. Phase shift is the opposite of c divided by b. The phase shift we know is negative 40. Opposite of c, don't know. We just found b to be a half. Cross multiply. Negative c times 1 is negative c. Half of that, negative 20. That means c is a positive 20. So we must write plus 20 in the equation. There you have number 12.